In this video, I will show you how to download Friday Night Funkin on PC or laptop. So the first thing you need to do is go to itch.io website, and then after that go to search and then search for Friday Night. Click on this. And then you will see this, and then you can read this description about the game, and then scroll all the way down until you see the download now. Click on it. And then you will see that this game is free, but the developer accepts support by letting you pay. So you can pay or you can download it for free. So you need to click on this to download it for free. And then you will see you can download it by Windows 64, Mac Universal Build, or Linux. So I will choose this Windows 64. Then after that, you can see your downloads here. Wait for it to be done. Then once it's done, click on show in folder, and then right click, then click on extract all. Then you can browse the file, so click on extract. So wait for it to finish the extract. Then after that, click on Funkin. And now you can play a game. So we will minimize this to see it clearly. And here it's working. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.